So today I'll be showing you how to unlike all your liked Instagram posts. So what you need to do is go to your profile, and on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right corner. That should open settings and activity. And then under settings and activity, go to your activity, tap on that, and then tap on likes. Now here, you're going to see all the posts you've ever liked on Instagram. And so to unlike all of them, just tap on select, and then you can go and select all your posts. Just select all of them, or as many as you can in one go. And then once you've selected everything, you can now tap on the unlike button. You can see this is going to unlike my total of 18 posts. Yours could be more, and it might take a little bit of time to select all of them. But then once you tap on delete and then confirm by tapping on unlike again, that's going to unlike all the posts you've ever liked on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.